Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I'm so excited to do this today with my friend Sean because we're bringing you healthy and delicious. I made my cast iron chicken, and what did you make?
This is a cheesy butternut squash orzo.
Oh, wait until you hear this. So with mine, super simple, clean and trim your chicken, then mix in your seasonings. I mixed in some onion powder, some basil, some chicken rub, and a little bit of olive oil. Mix it up, put it in the cast iron, put some foil on it, put it in the oven at 350 for 1 hour, and then an additional 20 minutes at 400, you're good to go. Now for the star of the show. How did you make your dish?
So you take some pre-cut butternut squash from Tops, mix it in a bowl with olive oil and then whatever spices you want. I use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. You roast it in the oven at 400 for about 30 minutes. And then in a blender, you add cottage cheese, Parmesan cheese, milk, and the roasted butternut squash, and it makes a super creamy sauce. And then you mix it with orzo.
I'm gonna try.
Please do.
Oh, this is good.
You like it?
This is really good, and it's an alternative to mac and cheese, right?
Yeah, so with the new year, I think it's always good to have fitness goals and diet goals, and this is super high protein, low in fat, so it's a good alternative for mac and cheese.
This is really good, and you're getting your vegetables, you're getting everything you need in this dish, and then protein with the cottage cheese, but I like mine with chicken, friends. I like mine with chicken. But you need to put this dish together. Sean, thank you for coming in and cooking.
Of course, thank you.
Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. You have to try. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.